So this is my little Joby, my little selfie stick, and that's got a little piece that you can put the mobile phone in. So this is just a cheap thing that I bought from Jaycar, and you just put butane gas in them. That's pretty solid. Righto, so this is 12mm heat shrink. Of course you can get bigger, but I don't need bigger. So what we'll do is we'll just put it down to about there. This is double wall, dual wall heat shrink. So what I usually, if I'm doing this under the bonnet, it's far more critical, but out here, but anyway, we'll do it. So I like to melt the end here a little bit and just try and push that up so that it really covers that hole there from the elements. This is inside the car, so it doesn't matter, but yeah, that's nice and nice and tight, so no moisture can get into where that terminal is, because that's what corrodes all the wires, is all the elements. So